CPI. CPI. I am talking to you. Jessica, what is it? No, I am asking you, what is it now? Huh? No. You are shouting at me? No, you are shouting at me just because we broke up. We broke up 2 hours, 30 minutes, and 3 seconds.
Are you telling me the truth?
You cheated on me. See, let me make things clear to you. Let me make things clear to you. I don't take this trash. You cheated on me. Not even you cheated on me. You took the girl's pants and hide it inside your fridge. My own fridge. No.
Here is God.
My hair is scratching me because of this shout. Because of this shout. Wait first. Wait. Please wait. Let me explain. I must deal with you, idiot.
Here is God.
Idiot. Because of you now, my breast want to fall. Because of don't worry. You see this breast? If it falls, you are going to buy another breast enlargement. Idiot.
Jesus.
Oh, God. Which kind of problem is this one now? From cheating to breast.
Funke.
Which can wahala be this? Hey.